It's bath day. And somebody's not happy. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. He's mad. Are you mad? Come here. I'll just go this side. Then what are you going to do? Go back to the other side. What's the boy doing? Oh, good boy. No, come here. Say hello. Say hello. You're so naughty. So naughty. What do you say? So crabby. You feel so much better after your bath? Yeah? I feel so much better. Says, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. No, I don't. I don't believe you. Oh, stop. Such crabby. So crabby. Look at the face. Oh my gosh. Resting gelding face. Look at that. That's not a happy boy. What happened to my happy boy? Huh? Oh. What happened? What happened to my happy boy? Huh? All right. Say bye.